Hello everyone, today we are going to take a look at Brevite Jumper backpack, the backpack I've been using as my everyday carry for my Fujifilm kit. For those of you new to the channel, my name is Andrei Dima, I'm a professional travel photographer and video maker. And excuse my voice, but I have a really bad cold. I posted a photo on the community channel saying goodbye to my low pro Whistler backpack because I was downsizing my travel kit. I still have other backpacks, but that was my main one for many years. But after I made the change completely from DSLR to mirrorless, I didn't need it so much. And the Whistler just stayed in my closet and gathered dust, so I gave it away. After that post, Brevite reached out and asked me if I want to try their backpack, and when I saw it is not your typical photo backpack, rugged and black, I said yes, because sometimes change is good to keep boredom away from photography. So they sent me this backpack I've been using for a while, and the only thing they wanted is to give you my honest opinion about it. So here we are after I used the Brevite for a while now. It became my everyday carry and it will stay that way, well, until it breaks. So going forward with this review, I am also going to share with you what I carry with me on a daily basis in this backpack. The first thing I liked about this backpack is the color. I didn't think color will matter for me when it comes to backpacks because they are more like tools than a fashion item, but the color really makes me feel better when I pack my stuff, and it is a color I love. The cool thing is that Brevite don't have just 2 or 3 colors available, they have much more. You want your daughter to get into photography, but she hates all those black backpacks. Brevite has tons of colors to choose from. Do you want to get your best photographer friend a backpack he will never forget? Bam! Get him a pink one. Joke aside, I appreciate having so much color options for backpacks. The next thing I like is that it doesn't look like a photography backpack, and that is very useful, especially when I go out in Valencia to make my lens reviews, because my other backpacks are like guard magnets. Every time they see a rugged bag, they come and stick around. I know they're doing their jobs and I'm okay with that, but it gets weird at some point. And of course, security. Well, Valencia is a very safe city, but it still helps to not get noticed when you have thousands of dollars worth of gear in your backpack. You never know. Let's take a look at the space you have. So here is the part where you keep your gear, and my daily kit is the Fujifilm X-T5 or the X-H2S with the 35mm f1.4, a lens I love so much. The Viltrox 13mm f1.4, I love shooting wide, so this for me is a must-have. And finally the Tamron 17-70mm f2.8, a great all-around lens for video and photography. I also get the 27mm f2.8 WR when I want something light and small. In front I put my filters, the Peak Design cuff and an external battery for emergencies, or of course if I forget my second battery, cards and the camera charger. On the top part I keep a thin rain jacket just in case, and my Sennheiser wireless earbuds. Love them. For the price, the sound coming out of this is great, and sometimes I throw in my glasses. The Brevite Jumper also has a 15-inch laptop pocket where I keep my 14-inch MacBook Pro, but as you can see here, you can fit a 15-inch Dell XPS with ease. On one side you have a water bottle pocket, or you can put a smaller tripod. Also on the lower part you can add a tripod. On the other side you have a side access to your camera, a feature I love having on all backpacks. On the back you have this, so you can put the backpack on your luggage handle. The materials are very nice. I used it in light rain with no problems. The laptop pocket is rubberized, so it keeps the water out, and the pads are very comfortable. Actually, the whole backpack feels like it is hugging you, where my other backpacks are like a turtle shell. Overall, I really like the Brevite Jumper. Nice color, it has all the space I need, and it is very comfortable. Also, it doesn't cost a fortune. It's around $130. So, if you are looking for a photo backpack that doesn't look like a photo backpack and it is comfortable and spacious, check Brevite out. They also have a larger version. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. This helps me grow my channel and make more videos for you to watch. And if you want to support the channel even more, check out my presets and use the links in the description. See you soon.